Okay, how to finally start investing in crypto. Yeah, I know you heard the stories like some random dude bought some crypto for like $1 3,000 years ago, and now look at him, filthy rich. Or maybe it's too late to invest in crypto already, the momentum has gone, but come on, it's never too late to start doing something in your life. Of course, we can't foresee the future and what will grow and what not, but what we can do right now is to live the present moment and make the best out of it. And yeah, before you invest anything in crypto, you need to ask yourself 7 important questions first. So let's break them down in today's video, and we'll make it as short as possible, as informative as possible to keep all the basic stuff in here. So yeah, let's waste no time and get started. So question number 1, why invest in cryptocurrency? There are many reasons why people want to invest in crypto, and if you're watching this video, you probably know the answer for yourself already. But firstly, let's be real. Make money. Big and most likely quick. Cryptocurrency is a highly volatile market, and if you know how to take advantage of it, like hell yeah, you can get rich super quick. But we'll get to that quite soon. Secondly, traditional financial institutions or investment assets like stocks and bonds might not look appealing or profitable anymore, or even unprofitable. So, investing in crypto can be a good way to beat inflation and generate some profit along the way. Question number 2, what are the risks? Every investment comes with its risks, especially crypto. And yeah, remember what I said about the highly volatile nature of crypto? Well, if you don't know what you're dealing with, like hell yeah, you may lose some money super quick. Besides, the crypto market is relatively young and can be influenced by various factors, including market sentiment, news events, and like overall state of the global financial markets. So all these factors can lead to sudden and unpredictable changes, price movements, sometimes not in your favor. Like, what can I say? Even one Elon Musk tweet can pump one meme coin to the moon. So yeah, crypto can be dumb and unpredictable, let alone DeFi hacks. That is why you need to understand number 3, what is crypto and the crypto market before you do anything stupid. And yeah, people quite often neglect that aspect, thinking that crypto is some kind of magical internet money. But this is a completely different world of technology. Of course, treated differently and taxed. So you gotta understand what types of crypto assets are in the game, in the crypto market, and what functions they fulfill. For example, let's take Bitcoin, the first and the most well-known cryptocurrency. In short, Bitcoin serves as a decentralized digital currency and store of value on a super secure network, designed for peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries. Then there is Ethereum. Ethereum is like a supercomputer platform or operating system that A, has its own coin, ETH, that operates as money and you pay transaction fees with it, and B, allows developers to build their own decentralized applications and smart contracts, like applications on iOS and Android. So Ethereum enables developers to create various blockchain-based services and tokens. Speaking of tokens, think of them as startup companies built on top of blockchains like Ethereum or similar ones like Matic, Solana, Cardano, and so on. And speaking of tokens, basically they are a digital representation of value, similar to casino chips. So just like these physical tokens have a specific value within their respective places, crypto tokens hold value on the blockchain and some use cases within the platform. Well, ideally. And yeah, there are just enormous types of tokens, starting from governance tokens, securities, to just meme coins with the picture of a frog. All go by the name tokens. But if there are so many crypto assets, what should one eventually buy? And we can categorize crypto assets by market capitalization into 3. Big caps, so it's like top 20, low risk, low reward. Then mid caps, from top 20 to 200, 300. So mid-risk, mid rewards. And then we have small caps, projects under $100 million by market cap. So there is high risk and high reward. So holding big caps like Bitcoin, digital gold, and ETH, World Computer, or even a mix of them can be, well, a great idea for beginners. It's just because they dominate the scene and represent a significant portion of the entire crypto market cap. So in a way, holding Bitcoin and Ethereum is like holding an index fund for crypto. So these are pretty safe, but don't expect huge returns from them. On the other hand, there is a whole sea of small cap projects, what we call altcoins. So all those except BTC and ETH in a way. Altcoins is where the big bucks are usually made. It's potentially more rewarding, yet way more riskier. Okay, that's great, but what exact assets to buy? And obviously there is no answer to that, as no one can guarantee you profits. But one thing we can recommend is to look for the following aspects when assessing crypto projects. First, strong backers, funds, and VCs. Then, successful in public team. And last but not least, well-thought roadmap and good tokenomics. Moreover, before you buy anything, you'd better create a portfolio. And even better, if you visualize it first and use a crypto tracker. So it's like imagining having a certain asset or a group of them. So how would they have performed over the time if you'd bought them in real life? This is especially good for beginners, as they can gain knowledge first without having real financial losses. Besides, you can do that absolutely for free with platforms like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Just check them out. Basically, diversify your holdings and consider a long-term approach to maximize your gains. Okay, that's done. The next important question is number 4, how much to invest? Of course, each has its own preferences and financial situation, but basically, the more money you put into crypto, the more risk you'll get. If you're just getting started investing in crypto, you can start with any amount, but go slow and learn about the asset class before investing large sums. A passive approach with the regular auto buys is a great strategy for beginners. Just remember one thing: only invest what you can afford to lose. Next question, number 5. When to invest? A golden rule here is to make big purchases when markets are low, fear is high, and everyone is predicting the end of crypto. Well, funny as it may seem, but that's true. Remember, patience and strategic buying can yield substantial returns. Next question, number 6. How do you buy crypto? The simplest way is to open a cryptocurrency exchange account. It may be Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. So find one that works in your country. And by the way, we have a video about Binance, just check it out. Then pass KYC, know your customer procedure, fund your account, and start buying your desired coins. And yeah, there is nothing hard with that. You'll get to each point just following tips. It's also crucial to remember that cryptocurrency exchanges may not offer the same level of security and trust as traditional banks. So it's better to have control over your crypto by using a software or a hardware wallet. And by the way, we also have video about that. Just check them out if you will. Okay, final and the most important question. How do you make money? And basically, you make money in crypto the same old way as you do in traditional markets. Buy low and sell high. Eventually, it all goes down to that, so just don't make it upside down. Of course, making money in the crypto space involves various strategies, like understanding market cycles, using technical analysis, staking coins, and exploring new opportunities. So all that can contribute to your success. And of course, it all involves some learning. However, that even matters unless you take profits at some point. It's not just about buying and holding forever. It's also about pressing that sell button. So clocks are ticking and timing matters in crypto. Just remember, nobody becomes poorer when taking profits. After all, greed is bad in crypto. So there you have it, folks. Hope we helped you find the answers to those basic questions that everybody asks when starting with crypto and crypto investment. And yeah, crypto investment is an exciting journey into the future of finance. But like any journey, you need to be prepared first. So stay safe, stay informed, and keep watching our channel for more tips from the crypto world.